Hello and welcome to this video where I will showcase my watercolor and pencil techniques. I'm thrilled to have you here. I've spent countless hours perfecting my skills, and I'm excited to share my knowledge with you. If you find this tutorial helpful, please do not hesitate to give it a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on my future content. I absolutely adore painting with watercolors and pencils. It's a process that requires patience and precision, but the end result is always worth the effort. To begin, I find inspiration in the great outdoors. Taking a stroll in nature and taking reference photos is a must for me. When it comes to materials, I don't skimp. I use Windsor and Newton watercolors for their superior quality and vibrant colors. It's definitely worth the investment. The colors are vibrant and the pigments are of high quality. The consistency of the paint is smooth and easy to work with, allowing for precise brushstrokes. The colors blend well together, creating a seamless transition between hues. Overall, I highly recommend Windsor and Newton watercolors for any artist looking for reliable and high-quality paint. Watercolor layering is a time-consuming process, but the end result is always stunning. Starting with light washes and gradually building up the colors is key. It's important to have a clear idea of where to place shadows and highlights, with shadows being added last. To avoid a messy painting, I suggest using a smaller color palette with fewer colors. When it comes to watercolor painting, the choice of paper is also crucial for achieving a great result. In my experience, using a thick paper with a weight of at least 300 grams works best. Additionally, I prefer hot press paper as it allows optimal performance with both watercolors and pencils. The best option for watercolor paper is a hot press pad made from 100% cotton. This paper is not only thick, but also has a smooth texture that won't warp under washes of paint. Its hot press surface allows for fine detailing and precise strokes, making it a versatile choice for various painting techniques. Overall, choosing the right watercolor paper is essential for achieving the desired result. With its thickness and smooth texture, hot press pad is my top pick for creating beautiful watercolor paintings. Once I'm satisfied with the watercolor base, I switch to pencils to add those intricate details that really bring the painting to life. I have been using Caran d'Ache watercolor pencils for many years now. These pencils have a high pigment concentration, which allows for vibrant and intense colors. They are also water-soluble, making them easy to blend and create a watercolor effect. The pencils are smooth and easy to work with, allowing for precise details and shading. Overall, I've been very satisfied with the quality of these pencils and would highly recommend them to other artists. When it comes to achieving precision and detail in my work, I rely on mechanical graphite 2B pencil. This type of pencil provides the extra sharpness I need to create clean lines and intricate designs. Its graphite lead is perfect for shading and adding depth to my drawings. Overall, using a mechanical graphite 2B pencil is an essential tool in my creative process. In the end, painting with watercolors and pencils is an incredibly rewarding experience. It takes time and practice, but the end result is a beautiful piece of art that you can be proud of. With the right materials and a bit of dedication, you can create a masterpiece that will last a lifetime. Thank you for watching this video about my watercolor and pencil technique. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on my future content. Ciao!